Demolish the dam and demolish the solar panels, dismantle all the high-voltage power lines. Simple way to reduce air pollution, reduce global warming and clean energy, create eternal electricity. Hello everyone, we have an idea that will help solve the problem of reducing air pollution, reducing global warming and clean energy. I don't know if it's good or not. Please advise. A. Demolish the dam, create eternal power plants. 1. Clean energy operating system, security operating system. 2. Energy converter, energy adjuster or energy adjuster as needed. 3. Electricity. The right size, demolish large dams. 3.5 Importantly, there is no need to build a dam to have eternal water. 4. Eternal electricity. Demolish the solar panels on the satellite. Dismantle the high-voltage power lines. 4.1 Creating eternal electricity. Operating system of heat receivers, adjust to cool, and cooling receiver system to hot. 4.2 Demolish the solar panels on the satellite. 4.2 Dismantle all the high-voltage power lines, waste of budget, damage a lot of space, waste a lot of space, have to scoop up wood and destroy forests. Ecosystem 5. Natural gas is clean energy, no need to dig, no need to explore, abundant in nature. 6. Communication that does not require satellites. 6.1 Communication that does not require satellites. 6.2 Destroy the old satellite communication. What do you think? Please advise. Thank you very much. Translated by Translate.Google. And all viewers, listeners, please like, follow, subscribe, and share to support us.